Retailers are a source to go to because they've got more acres that they're learning from all of their growers. And then when the growers report to PARM, we get to compile all that information. Profits are seen mainly through efficiency. When growers go out and soil sample a field, they learn that there are different parts of the field which are Olympic athletes, and some of the field is a couch potato. So if you look at a yield monitor as you go across, some of it will have 200, 220 bushel corn, whereas other parts of your field may only have 150 bushel corn. Maybe it floods out, maybe it doesn't get the rain. Winds come in at a certain time and can dry your field out. There's all different soil types within a field. So as you go through a field, it's constantly changing with the ultimate yield that it can produce. And so when you take a soil sample, you can see what the levels are of the different nutrients in your pH, your P, your K. So growers will take fertilizer, and instead of just putting a blanket rate of, say, 200 pounds of fertilizer, they will look at a soil sample and say, well, this area wasn't even using any of the fertilizer that we had applied, so we don't need to put any in that spot. Whereas this other spot needs a lot more fertilizer. If you take a yield map, you can also say that we're going to fertilize this section right here for 200 bushel corn, and this section's only going to fertilize for 150. So as you go through the field, your fertilizer rate's going to go from nothing to 200, maybe down to 150, then back to 200 and down to nothing again. So they definitely get to put the fertilizer where they need it and see efficiency that way. Now everything is digital. The fields are listed on our phones, they're on our computers, they're using satellite imagery. Everywhere we need to go, we can see where those field boundaries are. Growers can actually change the boundaries on their phones. Our work orders can actually go into the application regs. They can be listed in the order of what order they need to do them in. And the applicators have navigation to drive them right to the fields. Our products are calculated for us with precision, so it's no longer guessing how much we need for fertilizer and then a grower saying, wait a minute, I calculated wrong, or as a crop consultant we calculated wrong and over-applied or under-applied. Everything's definitely more efficient now, so retailers and customers are definitely saving money now. There's, tight margins at home, so they want to make sure that when they put fertilizer on the ground that they're going to get the best bang for their buck.